Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're trying on the best and first dupe of the How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days yellow Andy Anderson dress. Now, this dress is from Show Me Your MuMu, and it is made of 100% luxe satin, which they call 100% polyester. It is lined and it has an open back with crisscross ties in the back and a side slit in the front. Now this dress does come in a few different colors, and in the yellow colorway they actually have this bright yellow, which is what we're seeing, as well as a pale yellow. I went with the bright yellow because I thought it looked a little closer to the actual How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days dress color, but I think either one could capture the vibe. Now the back crisscross is a little different, but I thought if it didn't look great the way that they have styled it, I could even do some doctoring up and make it look a little bit more accurate. Now, something I thought was really interesting is that Show Me Your MuMu actually named this the Anderson dress. And if you remember, the main character's name is actually Andy Anderson. So did they do this on a coincidence? I think not. I think this was very intentionally planned. Now, I've styled this with just a black pair of sandals, but you could also style this with some yellow sandals or definitely some tan sandals. Overall, I liked the dress, but I didn't think it was an actual 10 out of 10 perfect match to the film dress, so I will keep searching. For size reference, I tried on an XS and I thought it was a little large, but would do the job. If you made it to the end of this video, drop a heart in the comments or your most recent emoji. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.